What do you think is the most important thing in order to succeed on YouTube? Do you know the answer to this? If not, you need to keep watching.
There you have it. You've now seen an example of some of the different types of videos you can create with Vidnami. You can make influencer videos to grow your online audience, create content videos from existing blog posts, produce attention-grabbing ads in a matter of minutes, create video sales letters to convert viewers into paying customers, and produce online course videos or training videos to communicate with your customers. So be sure to grab your free trial of Vidnami and try the system out for yourself. So click the button on this page and start your free trial now.
Thanks for watching. Please follow the link in the description to get access to the product.